So thank you for this opportunity. I mean, this has just been a great meeting the past 2 days. We've seen so many great talks and posters. I'm very excited. And so what's interesting, though, is as I was preparing this talk, I realized that today is 25 years to the day since I started my postdoc. And so I had just finished my PhD work under the direction of Dr. Bruce Rowe at the University of Oklahoma, where we were sequencing regions of human chromosome 22 as part of the Human Genome Project. And on April 1st, 1997, I began my postdoctoral study at the NIH under the direction of Dr. Francis Collins. Now, I can tell you, if you've never started a new job on April Fool's Day, it is quite the experience. And so as the new green postdoc, I was immediately the April Fool and the easy target of many practical jokes in my new lab. But what I didn't realize at that point was that this was the beginning of a translational career built on genomics and its application to human health. And so I was fortunate to not only contribute sequencing data to the Human Genome Project, but to also be in the epicenter of human genomic research in the US upon completion of the Human Genome Reference Sequence in 2003. So at that time, I was infused with optimism about what we could do to understand human health and disease, how we could further understand what makes each of us alike, but also what makes each of us different. So how are we different in our responses to environmental stimuli, to pharmaceutical drugs, to chemotherapy? And since this day in 1997, I've studied cancer and performed large-scale transcriptomic analyses of several tumor and cancer syndromes. I've worked in the drug development and pharmaceutical industry. And then now, here we are, 25 years later, I'm translating what I've learned in each of these varied research environments to supporting patient management in our CAP-accredited clinical precision medicine laboratory.